Today we are talking about the ethical and societal issues in biobanking and medical artificial intelligence. I have a couple of comments and images that I also would like to bring forward. But as we have this technical hiccup, we just turn around the table, start with this presentation, and switch then to the other slides. After our kind of opening statements, so to say, we want a discussion with you, because that's what it is all about. We hope to stimulate and then eventually chat and have a conversation with you. With this, hand over to my wonderful colleagues left and right to me.
Hello, everyone. Okay. You have the power. Good. We collected a few slides on that we thought that could spark conversations here on the work that we are doing continuously on artificial intelligence, also with our colleague Kaya. So let's see what the slides bring. The first one, because depending on the slide, it's more her thing or my thing, and I don't know the order by. So let's see. Surprise.
PowerPoint karaoke. No.
PowerPoint karaoke. Yeah.
Okay, I guess I can do the next one. I remember it. I also want to point out that we put specifically ethical and societal issues on the slide, so this is not legal now.
Yes.
and we are also represented on this podium like that. So my background is in sociology, Michael is in political science, Monica is the philosopher of the team. And we are more looking from the perspective of ethics of AI. And this is an emerging field in AI research. So the point is not just ethics is also there and just important. It's actually a research field, which are really important questions to address. I think you all are aware which kind of public discussion or discourse is going on AI, that we will be, extinct and so on and so forth. So we are focusing more on the ethics of AI in medicine.
It is specifically looked at from the IT perspective, but starting to realize lawyers need to be taken on board, because again, and that links to my colleagues or our presentation, it is not only a technical issue. It needs the conversation, but it also in a first step, the awareness that we need to have this discussion. And the previous paper of the 10 Commandments on ethical medical AI kind of provides some high-level guidance in how to do that. Concluding my remarks is the imagery of ethics work. I was looking for an image that could depict that the other day, and when I put it in Unsplash, only desks came up where white men type on the computer, middle-aged men, and have obviously a lot of coffee, and that's very much the inner imagery of ethics work. I dug a little bit deeper, and it continued. And often it is perceived as tick boxing, same as in the legal field, from a lot of our science colleagues. However, the ethics work, of course, and that includes the societal work, the legal work, is embedded in all the activities that we constantly do. It does not require an expert to do it. It requires the awareness. Some things we can decide for ourselves, we have to. Others we indeed need the expert for. And this is the last image that I want to share, because I want to reconnect all the comments with biobanking imagery in a different sense. That when for the biobanks, in 2009 it made it on the cover of Time magazine. It was just one of 8 things that changed the world right now. biobanking was depicted as the samples being very important. Data was just an addendum. Today, it's data. Samples are not even mentioned anymore. And again, described in this purity, almost religious imagery, and all of you have multiple other images in your heads. If you're interested in getting also access to kind of all our publications from the group beyond the fabulous lab of ethics of AI that Melanie is leading, you can find them here. Thank you.